couple days ago, when I was confused about why the guitar wasn't staying in tune with the Floyd Rose tremolo, I was basically just being a dope, because what I was not thinking was that it's locking nut, and I had not installed the locking nut. Now here's a bit of an excitement about the locking nut. The locking nut, if it'll bother to get into focus here, is it doesn't quite fit. I'll take out the fix so you can see. All right, so you'll see here, this is the nut, this thing here, and then this is the locking nut, which I want to put after the nut. But the problem is this locking nut sits too low. Will you focus to the thing I'm looking at, please? Good grief, there we go. It focuses it sits too low. So the other excitement is that what it sits on, that looks like a compound radius curve to me. And so I had to experiment with compound radius shims, which, would you please focus? Come on, you've got all the light in the world. So I've been building these out of 3D. I luckily have a 3D printer for the next few weeks until the Fab Lab goes away. So this is an early test, and then this is a slightly later test that's a little bit better. And then this one is correctly sized, but it's kind of crappy because I didn't fill it with 100% infill. I was just doing it as a test. But it makes the nut fit properly. The only thing about this nut that does not fit properly is the fact that it's not since the nut on this guitar is wide, let's look in millimeters. Yeah. There is not, as far as I know, a commercially available locking nut that's any wider than this one. I might try shaving out a little bitty bit of it just so that the high E string doesn't get pinched as much as it wants to get pinched. But we shall endeavor to persevere.